In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to solve multi-step inequalities. So if we have a problem like this that says solve for k, and we have k over 1 minus 1 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 10. So we're trying to find what value of k makes this statement true. So what we do, step 1, to isolate k, we use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. And we do the same operation to both sides. Okay, so the first thing we'll start with is moving this plus 5 to this side. So the opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. So we subtract minus 5 on both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides. So we have k over negative 1 plus 5 minus 5 greater than or equal to 10 minus 5. So that goes away. So we're left with k over minus 1 greater than or equal to 10 minus 5. So this is the trick that I was trying to say to you at the beginning, is you could just move this over and change its sign. So the trick is just move the 5 over the inequality and change its sign. That's basically what you're doing here, okay? By subtracting 5 on both sides. So step 2, in the next step, you will multiply both sides of the inequality by a negative number. So here we're going to reverse the inequality symbol, and I'll show you that in a second. When you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol changes sign. So here we have k over negative 1 greater than or equal to 5. So what we have to do here is we have to multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. But because it's an inequality and we're multiplying by a negative, the inequality changes sign. So we reverse the inequality symbol. So here it's flipped, okay? Because we're multiplying minus 1 on both sides. So this cancels out and we're left with k is less than or equal to negative 5. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.